Welcome back to Flowingjack. On this episode, we're taking all the useful items out of this Honda Accord so we can take it to the junkyard and make room for my new dream car that I'm getting. So let's start this process. First thing I'm gonna do is remove the battery tie down that I put in. So the first thing I'm doing here is removing this battery tie down, because just in case the new car doesn't have a metal tie down, I'll have this one to use, and I can save some money that way by having this one to reuse. Uh-oh. Well, let's just do... Uh-oh. That one I caught all that stuff. Alright, so there goes that. Oh, that's down in the hole. This one went down in the hole too. Oh, this is already just a cluster. Let me gather my thoughts here. Found my rod. I actually had to end up taking out the screws out of the speaker, so it's not held in with any screws anymore. So the reason why I had to do that is it kept on short-circuiting itself onto the car. So I'm just going to take the whole thing, because this thing's going to a junkyard. They're not going to notice even if I take the whole thing. So got that one out. Now this one, oh, this one's actually screwed down. Where is the screw? Or is it screwed down? Oh. Looks like it wasn't screwed down. I just pulled the cables on that one because I realized that I would need to keep these cables so I could reattach these speakers easy to a future project or anything. So let's do the same on this one. Alright, now that I got these two little wires, let's move to the front speakers. So as you saw in an earlier video, we installed these brand new Kenwood speakers. That was not even a month ago. Now we're taking them out. Get that cover off. Get the impact driver. Get that. Oop. This one actually didn't, that was already in the door, so I'll leave it in the door. Alright, now to get on to the next door speaker. So another thing I noticed about this car is this door hinge is real fucked up, so good thing I'm getting rid of it. So, oh, that one barely was held on. So this. Is there anything? I don't think there is. Nope. There isn't. Nope. I don't think the speaker is plugged in. Alright, so now we're gonna move to the radio. We're gonna get the head unit out because nice head unit. So what we're gonna do here is you gotta rip out this whole dash bezel, and then once you get the dash bezel out, then I think I'll be able to rip out the stereo unit. So let's get to it. Handbrake or something holding the car up now. I just pulled that straight up out of the car. Alright. So continuing there, we gotta get rid of all these cables. Alright, so now that it's free, unplug that. Now, you can get rid of this head unit. Alright, let's just put the dash thing back on here. Brand new car right now. So we're going to go take this thing to the junkyard now. So it turns out the junkyard doesn't allow filming. So what happened was I took the car to the junkyard. It took about 2 hours, but I got my money for the car. So now that we got rid of that Honda Accord, it's time for something American. Something that screams freedom. Something that has so many bald eagles under the hood. It makes the whole neighborhood shake. So make sure you go subscribe to the channel so you see our next video where we unveil this beast.